I did pet the deer in Nara, but I don't know, they're kind of aggressive. I felt like they're kind of rude. I mean, they're just deer, you know. But they're kind of rude and kind of entitled to the crackers. They're kind of bullies, yeah. They're like biting my skirt. I don't know. I would never bite anybody's skirt for snacks. I would use my words to manipulate them into giving me a snack. Like a civilized Kieran would. They're hungry. They are very cute, but they're also a little scary. And they like remove the horns, right? So that they don't gouge people. I don't know.